Now allow me to show you the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. This is such a great vehicle, guys. You've got a clean car proof here on this vehicle. Never been in an accident, no damage records whatsoever. And you've got a little bit over 102,000 kilometers on it, so mostly highway mileage from the previous owner. This truck's in great condition, and we're going to talk about the engine first. You've got a 5.3 liter V8 engine under the hood, plenty of power, 4x4 obviously, and you've got the 6-speed automatic transmission to go with that, so great highway fuel economy at the end of the day. HID lights on the front with your LED running lights. You've also got fog lamps down there and the chrome front bumper. Moving alongside, you've got the 18-inch aluminum wheels. Newer all-season tires, still a decent amount of tread left on those, so you don't have to worry about replacing those just yet. Chrome mirror caps and door handles, as well as your 6-inch chrome side assist steps. Now moving around to the back end, you do have that rear sliding window, as well as your spray-in box liner, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your box. You've got the rear assist step here on the bumper, as well as your trailer towing package, so you've got the hitch on the back. You've also got the easy lower lift tailgate, which is not going to slam when you open that up. And as we move around to the other side, once again, this vehicle 10 on 10 condition, guys. All the wheels, no scratches whatsoever on the wheels. And you've also got remote start in this vehicle as well, so you could start that up in the winter or summer, and it's going to cool the cabin or heat it up to a comfortable temperature before you step inside. So taking a look inside the SLT here, you've got the gray interior, really nice and clean. This vehicle just came out of detail, so it's essentially brand new. You've got your power adjustable seats here with your lumbar support, the rubber mats there on the floor, as well as you've got your automatic 4x4 controls and light controls just next to the steering wheel. And on the driver's door panel itself, you're going to find your memory seat settings. You've got your power adjustable mirrors with power folding feature, as well as your one touchdown windows. Now taking a look inside the Sierra SLT here, you've got the digital screen here, LCD display right on the center dash. 102,611 kilometers as of this recording, so this does fall into our certified pre-owned category. You've got the leather-wrapped steering wheel with your cruise controls, as well as your 5-point command center, which is going to control what you choose to display on that screen. And you've also got your hands-free call buttons to make wireless phone calls. Now on the column shifter itself, you've got your manual mode as well as your tow mode, and you've also got your backup camera with trajectory, which is going to allow you to park this truck with ease. Now on the screen itself, you've got XM radio, Bluetooth phone pairing, and OnStar Nav. Those are the main features you're going to find on this 8-inch touchscreen, but you've got plenty of vehicle settings in there as well. Hard radio controls and CD player located just underneath, and you've got the dual zone climate controls with the LCD display on it. Power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box light, and hill descent assist are amongst some of the other options you're going to find below your center screen. You've got plenty of connectivity here, 3 USB ports, 2 DC outlets, and a full 120 volt wall outlet. Plug in your work laptop, plug in whatever you want while you're on a long road trip. That's not going to be an issue. 6-way heated seats for both front passengers, and look at all this space you have here in the middle. Really nice interior. Now inside the center armrest itself, another DC outlet with your 2 more USB ports, and you've also got an SD card slot in there, so pretty neat. On the rear view mirror itself, which is auto dimming, you've got your OnStar buttons, and just above that you'll find your garage door transmitter. Now back seat space in the Sierra SLT is pretty good. You've got enough room for 3 passengers back here. I do want to make note of those rubber mats in the back so you don't have to worry about getting your carpet dirty. As well, you have a DC outlet in the back with some storage cabinets for extra space back here. Now if you want to fold up those seats, they do come up nice and flat against the wall. That's going to open up the back seat in case you don't have any passengers back there and you'd rather have some extra cargo space. So overall, this is our 2014 Sierra SLT. Really great choice for someone who's looking to get into a more affordable truck or a great work truck here. You've got reasonably low kilometers, certified pre-owned warranty. So we'd love to help you out here if you're interested in this truck or any of our other units. Come on down to McNaught Cadillac and we'd be glad to help.